people, I believe you're doing great, and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab.
For time and again we have come across such questions from aspirants of CSS-23 and PMS2022 as to how to read a news article and extract data from it while avoid generating an article out of an article or germinating a book out of a book. To learn the art of so doing, one needs to define the length and depth of a given subject, keeping in view past papers, questions so asked from a given areas, and the demand of examiner. Once done understanding the route map, you may well be in a position to decide for what to read, what to skip, what to jot down, and what to memorize on a regular basis. Also, by preparing possible questions for a given topic, you can cover comprehensively an area by reading different write-ups from various sources. Doing so will help you in diversifying your understanding and perspective on a given subject. Besides, to avoid sporadic practices and sleep-causing notes, you should note down relevant points in the form of phrases just to germinate an idea of what would be the subject of that header should you are to write on it. Further, to add more weight and worth to your arguments, try formulating and translating statements of notable figures into coarse aids. The more references you put in, the better the results. And the same strategy was followed by this yours truly, and it worked.
So this is all for today, people. If you got any confusion related to this topic, please let me know about your issues through your comments. I will address them in my next lecture. Thank you very much.